Guys,
they don't have enough lawyers. We heard on an interview that they did not have enough lawyers and could not schedule, could not follow the directive of the Senate.
Jacob, you eat.
15.
Isapot na po akong anak guys. Kaya nga akong cellphone. Nitingog niya. Gusto niyang tubagon mga. Basta mo tingog na akong cellphone. Eager gina siya mo tubag. Go ahead eh. Yan, nagpalit ko aning mga inani guys. Nangagagmay nga mga tomato sauce. Kaya magluto ko. Gagmay ra ang itong gamiton. Dayon maghimo kog tuna sandwich ni Ricardo para ugma. Ayang kanin. Dayon mga tagdalar-dalar nga buhok para mag-study mi ni Jacob. Kaya ira man yung suwat-suwatan guys. Palit ko kog tape in case na need me og tape. O kanang color para ni Jacob. Nya mag-manicure po ko kaya ako manicure ni hupas na.
Is well taken. Attorney Christine, yes, your comment on before we proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, please. I would like to thank the good counsel for their willingness to explore or to implement Rule 130.
Kani guys, ako ni
At least we have
trapo-trapo kay disinfectant man siya wipes.
before this honorable court. In fact,
Dito
Your
sa
Honor,
CR.
Earlier this
O
morning,
diri sa
I
tubon.
was asked by one of her partners about the comparison. And I actually told her partner, Attorney Lazaro, Attorney, we don't even need to compare the exhibits in order to expedite the proceedings. Because first of all, that's the authenticity of the exhibits is something is something that the court will have to decide. And the court will only decide on that after the prosecution has already submitted their offer of evidence. And that will be subject to our comments. And,
Darang ako napalit guys.
so,
Akong isolve
we
ha.
want
Unya
to
tanawa ninyo.
compare the exhibits just so we can arrive at a stipulation that this and that are the same. And also, Your Honor, with regard to the identification of the witness of the exhibits, that goes
Dara
into the
guys,
witness
pangbata ni siya
evidence.
guys.
No, we did not stipulate here in open court that the witness is competent to identify the exhibits, Your Honor. Kasi hindi naman nalawit na ng OWA. Pangalawa, we don't know the extent of her examination of the documents. Pangatlo, she just assumed the
Shorty siya guys, pangbata. See? $5. Di na dautan guys no. Nya nagpalit tayo kong pizza guys kay si Jacob gusto mo ka pizza. Hawaiian na nga pizza guys.
Now, there's Rule 130 Section 7 and for those of you who are
Nya mo ni akong ipangpalit guys para sa laba, para sa mga storage, mga pagkaon or unsa. Nya mayonnaise. Nya mara to guys. Thank you so much.